let's look at part 2. Part 2, the vector D makes an angle of 45 with the x-axis, 60 with the y, and sigma with the z-axis. You are asked to find the value of sigma if the magnitude of D is 12. Express D in Cartesian form. Okay, so sigma is between 0 and 90. Okay, so means it's in the first quadrant. So we are going to do it. The first one. First, just write down everything down. So you're told that theta is 45 because it's 45 with respect to the x-axis. This is theta, and then this is your phi, and this is your sigma. Find the value of sigma if D is 12. Express D in Cartesian form. Okay, great. So I'm going to use the formula lah. So the formula will essentially tell me that cosine square theta plus cosine square phi plus cosine square sigma will be 1. I know that my phi is actually 60 degrees. So I'm just going to use this formula here. So this is cos 45 degrees square plus cos 60 degrees square plus cos square sigma. For cos 45 is a special angle, so this is 1 over root 2 square. Cos 60 would be root 3. Cos 60 root 3 over 2. Cos 60 is what, half, right? Square plus cosine square alpha equals to 1. So I'm just going to express this. Cosine square 1 minus 1 quarter minus half. 1 minus 1 quarter minus half would yield 1 quarter as well. Okay, so cosine, this would be 1 over square root 4 or negative 1 over root 4, but you reject the 1 over root 4 because this is a negative 1 over root 4 because this is in the first quadrant. Okay, cos alpha is positive. So in other words, you're looking at reject as is in the first quadrant. Okay, so hence cosine alpha is equals to half. Find the value, so you just inverse cosine inverse half, you will get 60 degrees. So 60 degrees. Alright, so that's about it. If the magnitude of D is 12, express D in Cartesian form. So that's okay. So we found this really, then we want to find in Cartesian form. So D in Cartesian form will means that let's look at how from the previous part. We know alpha is mod. So alpha is mod D. So this will be D cosine theta I. Okay, maybe I should just write in Cartesian form, but I just write in vector column form. Mod D cosine phi and mod D cosine. Well, this is the coordinate system, right? Alpha is the coordinates of alpha is given by mod OA cos theta. So in other words, this is mod D is 12, right? Cosine 45, 12 cosine 5, which is 5, which is 60, 12 cosine 60. Okay, so this is it. So what we're gonna get is actually 12. 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2. 12 half, 12 half. So the Cartesian form will be 6 root 2i plus 6j plus 6k. So this is D, right? So that's it. Something is wrong. Okay, yeah, correct. So that's the answer. The answer is wrong. Okay. So any question or comment, please let me know. if you have no, yeah, just keep practicing it, and I'll see you in the next video.